simultaneously. Find the probability of getting an even number as a sum. The sum of a prime number, multiple of 2 on one side, multiple of 2 on a dice, and multiple of 3 on other dice. So let's recall. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting an even number as a sum, and the sum as a prime number. Let's think we have taken 2 dice. 2 dice are thrown. There is a possibility to get 1 on the first dice, and there is a possibility to get 1 on second dice also. So here we got 1 on the first dice, 1 on second dice. So the sum of these two numbers is nothing but 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is even number. So what we understood here, when we throw a dice on the first dice, the second dice, the first dice the number and the second dice the number, if we add the two numbers, we get an even number. We need to find out the sum, an even number as a sum. We need to take that, how many possibilities are there like that. For example, the first dice, let's say it is 1. On the second dice, let's think it is 3. Then there is a possibility to get it an even number as a sum. The reason is here 1 and plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is an even number. So first dice is 1. The first dice is 1 and second dice is 3. Then we add these two numbers, and that is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. 4 is an even number. So there are how many possibilities are there to get even as a sum? We need to find out. And also the second case, let us see the second case, the sum as a prime number. Let's take the first example. On first dice we got 1. The second dice we got also 1. Here we add these two numbers. We got here 2. 2 is also a prime number. So the sum of the two numbers on the two dice is a prime number here. 2 is a prime number. In this same manner, we need to find out and the number of possibilities, how many we get here. What is the probability we need to get? So and next one also here, and that is multiple of 2 on one dice. Multiple of 2. For example, first, the second, on the first dice, multiple of 2. So that is, let us take 2, and the multiple of 2 is 4. And let's see here, multiple of 2 on one dice and multiple of 3. It's not the multiple of 3, second one. So this is not possible. So let's take here, it's any other number like 6 for example. Then it satisfies this condition. Let's see here, multiple of 2 on one dice. 2 is multiple of 2. And the next one, multiple of 3 on second dice. So here this is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 on second dice. So it's 6 is a multiple of 3. So here this satisfies its condition. We need to find out other possibilities also here. That's the problem. So here, to find out all the possibilities, in the random experiment we get many situations like it can happen 1 and 1. On first dice it's 1, on second dice it's 1, on first dice it's 1, on second dice it may be 2. Let us find out all the events what can occur here, and then we choose the numbers, then find out the probability of it. We know Earlier we have discussed about the probability. Probability is denoted by P, and event is we already discussed. An event is nothing but one of the experiment what can occur in that particular thing is called an event, and so probability of an event is equals to, we already discussed in previous class, that is probability of an event is number of favorable events by total number of events. We use this formula to find out the probability. It's nothing but P of E. It's nothing but probability of an event. It's a full form of it. Probability of an event is the number of favorable events divided by total number of events. So we use this formula and find out this all the three, like first one, second one, and third one. Let's find out all the events. What are the possible events? Possible event, all the in the random experiment. Let's take the events can occur are, on the first dice is 1, on the second dice also 1. It's together. This is an event can occur. On the first dice it's 1, second dice it may be 2. It can happen. The first dice 1, second dice 3, first dice 1, second dice 4, first dice 1, second dice 5, and first dice 1, second dice 6. So there is no other possibility to get 7 on the second dice. So it's completed with 1 on the first dice, and the maximum number on the second dice is 6. It's no possibility. There is no possibility to get 7 on the second dice. So one of the events completed starting with 1 on the first dice. Let's take 2 on the first dice. We have taken 2 on the first dice, and 1, 2, 1. And then first on the first dice 2, and the second dice 1. First dice 2, the second dice also 2, and 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. These are the events can happen on first dice 2 and second dice 1, and so on. First dice 2 and second dice 6. There is no possibility to get 7. So with 2, or starting with 2 on the first dice, it's completed all the events. Now let's take 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6. It's completed. And then after, let's start with the 4 on the first dice. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 4, 6. It's completed. And 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, and 5, 6. And 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. There is no possibility to get 7 on the first dice, and there is no possibility to get 7 on the second dice also. These are the possibilities to can these are the possibilities to can occur on 2 dice, starting with 1 and ending with 6 on the second dice, and starting with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and ending with the 6. And there are 36 possibilities can happen on 2 dice. So these are the events can occur. Let's start with the question there. It's given that in this 36 events, we need to find out the first one, an even number as a sum. An even number as a sum. So we need to get even number as a sum on both, including both the dice. So let's take that first event, 1, 1. It's an event 1, 1. It's an event which we are getting an even number as a sum, because 1 plus 1 is 2, and here we are getting odd number 1 comma 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. So let's not take this one. So now 1 comma 3 is an even number, 1 plus 3 is 4, this is not even, and 1 plus 5 is 6, even, and 2 plus 2 is an even, 2 comma 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, even, 8 is an even, and 3 comma 1 is even, and this is 3 comma 3 is even, and 3 comma 5 is an even, and 4 comma 2, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 6, and the next 5 comma, it's next after 4 comma 6, after 5 comma 1, and then 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, and then next 6 comma 1, there is 6 comma 1, and 7, 6 comma 1 is 7, let's not take this, and the previously 5 comma 1 6, and then 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, and then here 6 comma 2, 4, and 6 comma 6. So these are even numbers, and then let's see how many we got here, how many even number of events we got as a sum. Let's count this: 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 4 5 6, and 7 7 8 9, and then 10 11 12, and 13 14 15 16 17 18 number of events we got out of 36 events, because total number of events are 36. We counted here previously, that are number of events we got here. Total number of events are 36. Out of these 36 events, the even number as a sum are 18 events we got here. We counted all those things which are even numbers as a sum, and we got here 18 events. So the number of favorable events are 18. The total number of events are 36, and that is probability of an event, which is an even number as a sum. This is the first one. So first one, and then 18 divided by 36. Let's cancel this here. When we cancel this, 1 divided by 2 will be getting 18 table, we cancel. Then we got 1 divided by 2. And the second one, let's start with the second one. And to understand clearly, let's take out the lines which we had there previously, just before, and then I will understand very clearly then. So second question is that here the sum as a prime number. The sum as a prime number. Let's see what are the prime numbers here. We will get prime numbers as 2, 3, 5, then after 7, 11, and after 13 will not be getting or a dice, because the reason is the maximum number 6 plus 6 is 12 on this, including the 2 dice. The first dice is 6, the next second dice also 6, and the sum of the greater number on 2 dice is 12 only. So we'll get a prime numbers less than 12 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 only. So we got these are prime numbers less than 12, because less than 12. So we got up to 11. So we need to get sum as 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So let's find out which is 2. The sum is 2. This is 2. Sum as 2. The prime number. And this is 3 as a prime number. And 5 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. It's not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. 1, 4 is a prime number. And the 7 is a prime number. And then this is also prime number. And 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 7. And next one 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, 7. And then next 3, 5, 8, 9 is not a prime number. And 5 is a prime number. 4, 3, 7. And 4, 5, 9. 4, 6, 10. 5, 1 is 6. It's not a prime number. 5, 2, 7. And and 5, 6, 11, and 6, 1, 7, and 6, 5, 11, and 6 plus 6 is 12 is not a prime number. So these are the prime numbers we got. Prime number as a sum. The sum as a prime number. Here we got all the situations that the sum as a prime number. So let's find out the second situation, probability of an event when the sum is prime number. Let's find out how many events are possible are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I think we did not count here. Let's count again. And this first one, second, third, fourth, and fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, and then after 9, 10, 11, and then after 12, 13, and then 14, 15. Total number of events we got here are 15. So the possibility of events are 15 and divided by the number of favorable events are 15, and the total number of events are 36. We know that. So this is 36. Now we can do some of the cancellation here. There is 3 table we can do cancellation. This 5 times numerator and this 12 times. So probability of getting an prime number as a sum on both the dice is 5 by 12 we got. And the third situation, third problem is multiple of 2. First one, let's rub these all the underlines to understand clearly for next one. So this 4, 3. So this is so here third problem is multiple of 2 on one dice and multiple of 3 on second dice. Multiple of 2 on first dice, multiple of 2 on first dice, multiple of 3 on second dice. Multiple of 2 it's possible, multiple of 2, but multiple of 3 is not possible. Multiple of 2 and multiple of 3. Multiple of 2 is multiple of 2 and 3 is multiple of 3. On first dice 2, on second dice 3 it's possible. So 2, 6 and multiple of 2 on first dice it's not possible. Multiple of 2 on first dice it's not possible because second dice is multiple of 2 and multiple of 3 is possible because multiple of 2 is 4, multiple of 3 is 3. So we got it's possible. And 4, 6 and let's say it's not possible because multiple of 2 it's not if multiple of 5 is not multiple of 5. Sorry, 5 is not multiple of 2. So this is not possible. This row is not possible. And second, the next multiple of 2 is yes, it's possible. And multiple of 3 and this is okay. Multiple of 2 and multiple of 3. And then multiple of 2 and multiple of 3. Let's recall again. 2 is multiple of 2 and 3 is multiple of 3. 2 is multiple of 2 and 6 is